Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shiva Debbie Define Babe. So guys, in today's video I want to share something very important with you guys, something that I take every morning before I eat, before I do any other thing, before I even brush my mouth. Okay, and what is that thing? This is it, guys. So some of you might be asking, what's this? This is onions marinated in honey. Okay, chopped onions soaked in honey for 6 to 24 hours. You can even keep it for as long as you want, but should be consumed before 5 days. Okay, so this right here is a game changer. Before I jump in to tell you the benefit of this, I'm just going to show you guys how to make this. It's not something difficult, it's very easy. You just chop your onions, put it in any container of choice, right? Then you cover it with honey. Okay, the amount of honey you should put should just be enough to like cover the onions, you get. So let's go into it. So what are the benefits of this? Taking onion and honey. Okay, taking onion and honey will help lower your blood pressure, improve fat levels. They decrease triglycerides. What are triglycerides? Triglycerides are a common type of fats that are primarily found in the fats you eat and your body's own stored fats. These elevated fat levels of triglycerides in the blood can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. So taking this will help reduce that, okay? Onion and honey also reduces what? Your cholesterol levels and regulates your heartbeat, which may lower the risk of heart disease. Raw onions are excellent source of vitamin C, which aids in enhancing the body's immunity. And what does vitamin C do? Vitamin C aids in generating white blood cells that defend the body against bacteria and viruses. So taking this can even reduce common ailments like cold, flu, sore throats, and the likes. Then what does honey do? Honey is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial. Okay, so this particular thing is very, very, very beneficial to your health. Okay, but please don't take this in excess, because I know some of you now because it has a lot of health benefits to go and be taking it in. Please do everything in moderation. Okay, because if you take this in excess too, it can lead to gastrointestinal distress, such as an irritable bowel syndrome, okay, or acid flux. So guys, this is what I take every morning before I brush my mouth. You know, onions has a way of making your mouth smell. So I like to take this in the morning before I brush my mouth, okay, and before I eat anything at all. So let me open this. It has, should I call it an awful smell? Not awful, but onion smell. And I'll tell you guys. Trust me, you'll like it. I hope this video is beneficial to you. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.